During training workshops, I view a lot of chainsaw operators remove and replace saw chains on a full gamut of chainsaw brands and sizes. Some appear to be old hands at the process, and others seem to struggle with it. Some put the chain on the bar and then mount the bar and chain together. Others place the saw on its side, then mount the bar, then the chain. Chain tension is varied as the adjustments are completed. What's the best way? I'm not sure, but I will share with you what I believe to be the fastest and most efficient technique I've been shown. I was watching one of the international chainsaw competitions in Cologne, Germany a few years back. I was amazed how the competitors removed and reinstalled the Sawchain to running condition. They had to take the bar and chain off the power head, lay it flat on a table, put another chain in the system, and mount it all ready to cut. The amazing thing, the whole process took 15.7 seconds. I think they're in under 13 seconds now in that competition. I'll share with you the technique I observed. Loosen the bar side cover and remove the side plate. It's not necessary to loosen the adjuster to remove the side plate. Leave it as it is. Remove the chain and bar and lay it down. Take care not to kink the saw chain. Hold it flat and stretched out so that you can check the flex for wear in the rivets. Now is a good time to look over the guide bar rails, the bar tail, and sprockets for wear and probably a little cleaning. Also, take a good look at the drive sprocket wear. Notice the witness marks on the sprocket. When the marks are gone or the wear is about 20 thousandths of an inch deep, it's time to replace the rim or spur. Now back together with it, reversing the process. Place the saw flat, bar on the studs, and then the chain goes over the sprocket drum and into the sprocket. Lay it into the top rail of the bar. Slide the bar back toward the sprocket as you clear the chain over the bar nose. Then start the nuts, spinning them on to finger tight. Turn the adjusting screw to proper chain tension. That's until the chain tie straps just contact the bar rail. Tighten the bar stud nuts. It's not necessary to heavily torque the nuts. Just make sure they're tight. The side cover will expand with heat and help hold them tight. Check that the chain turns easily with a gloved hand. Too tight causes heat and friction. Too loose and you could derail and cause damage or can cause wear to drive links. If your chain loosens, it's most likely not the nut torque, but the sharpness and temperature of your chain running the rails. Dull saw chain stretches a lot. I'm always ready for a little competition, so practice and let me know your best time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you picked up something that will make your saw work more pleasurable. Until next time, this is Tim Ard wishing you good sawing.